That was where that boulder is, all the way down to here. Ooh. Oh, look, don't go too far, because look, see the water's still running. I think the bank ends right here, though. Quite a hike.
Are we going to have an avalanche?
There's not enough snow for an avalanche. I think the ice is too thin. This would be a good time to have that stick, you know?
What?
That stick.
What about the stick?
It would be a good time to have a stick. I don't know, Ella.
It looks pretty thick to me.
No, it feels like mush to me. See how the water's coming up through it? Yeah, that's mush.
What up? Ah,